If your auto repair shop isn't showing up on Google Maps, you're invisible to potential customers. AI is now one of the most powerful tools for dominating local SEO. AI software helps optimize your Google business profile by analyzing keywords customers actually use, like brake repair near me or oil change open now. It automatically suggests updates, posts, and service descriptions that improve rankings. AI also helps generate and manage reviews, one of the biggest ranking factors on Google Maps. It sends automated review requests to happy customers and responds to reviews professionally, improving trust and visibility. Some AI tools even track competitors, showing you what top ranking shops are doing differently. This allows you to adjust your strategy and stay ahead. Auto repair shops that use AI for local SEO don't rely on guesswork. They use data-driven decisions to stay on top of search results and consistently attract nearby customers ready to book.